This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear cookies and site data every time that you close Edge. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Edge web browser opened up now. To set your browser to clear cookies and site data every time you close the browser, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy, Search and Services. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Clear Browsing Data. And on this screen here, it gives you two options: Clear Browsing Data Now. The bottom option is choose what to clear every time you close the browser. You want to click on that one, choose what to clear. And then on this screen, you can it gives you several different choices here. The top one is browsing history. If you wanted to clear your browsing history every time you closed Edge, you would toggle this one on. The next one, your download history. If you wanted to clear your download history every time you close Edge, you would toggle that one on, and so on. The next one is cookies and other site data, cached images and files, passwords, autofill, form data, and site permissions. You would just toggle each one on that you want to clear each time you close Edge. Thanks for watching.